Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a plastic spudger. These tools will help you safely open your laptop and handle the components without causing damage. Start by shutting down your HP ProBook 440 and unplugging it from any power source. It's crucial to remove the battery if your model allows it. This step will prevent any accidental power on during the installation. Next, locate the screws on the bottom panel of your laptop. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws carefully. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later to reassemble the laptop. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the bottom panel. Be cautious while doing this to avoid damaging the clips that hold the panel in place. Take a moment to clean the internal area of the laptop with compressed air to remove any dust or debris that might have accumulated. Now, locate the hard drive bay. You should see a bracket that holds the old hard drive in place. If you're replacing a drive, carefully disconnect the old hard drive by pulling the connector out gently. If you're adding a new drive, you'll need to insert the new 500 GB hard drive into the bay, ensuring it fits snugly into the connector. Secure the hard drive in place with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure it is firmly attached, as a loose connection can lead to drive failure. After securing the hard drive, replace the bottom panel by aligning it properly and pressing down until you hear the clips snap back into place. Reinstall the screws to secure the panel firmly. Now it's time to power on your laptop. If you don't have the tools or feel unsure about the process, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Additionally, our pickup and delivery at your home service can make the process easier for you. There's no need for calls or travel, simply schedule a service and we'll take care of the rest. Once your laptop is powered on, enter the BIOS settings by pressing the appropriate key during startup, usually F10 or Escape, depending on your model. Here, you can check if the new hard drive is recognized by the system. If the hard drive appears, you'll need to format it. Boot into your operating system and open Disk Management. Locate your new drive, right-click on it, and select Format. Follow the prompts to format your new 500 GB hard drive. If you're unsure about any of these steps, don't hesitate to contact us for a quote before repair. We're here to help ensure your laptop is functioning at its best. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.